Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the access violation error in Red Dead Redemption on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll walk you through 3 different methods that can help resolve this issue, starting with the simplest fix and moving to more advanced solutions. The first method is to run the game as an administrator. Try launching Red Dead Redemption with administrative privileges, as this can help the game run in a more stable state and prevent permission-related errors. Make sure your copy of the game is downloaded from a reliable and safe source, such as Steam, before trying this method. If the issue persists, move on to the second method, which involves using Compatibility mode. Right-click on the Red Dead Redemption launcher and select Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab, then check the option to run the program in Compatibility mode, and choose Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Apply the changes, close the window, and then run the game again to see if the error has been fixed. If neither of those methods works, proceed to the third method, which focuses on fixing game execution. Open this web page and scroll down to step 4. Here, copy the code shown on the screen. Now, on your computer, go to your File Explorer and then first create new folder. Then create a new text document using Notepad. Once done, now rename the file to rdrva in all lowercase. Next, open the renamed file, paste the copied code into it, and save the file. Next, you'll need to convert this file into an executable. Open the online converter tool of your choice. I will use this one. Here, click the Upload button and select the file you just created. Once the upload is complete, click Convert. This step is very important, as manually creating the executable file will not work. After the conversion finishes, download the newly created file to your computer. Now, integrate this file with the game. Locate the downloaded executable and place its folder on the right side of your screen. After that, open your Red Dead Redemption game directory by right-clicking on it and position it on the left side. Copy the converted file into the game's main folder. Once done, then right-click on the file, go to Show More options and select Send To, and choose Desktop Create Shortcut. Once that's done, go to your desktop and run the shortcut file. This should create a new playable shortcut for Red Dead Redemption. From now on, use this new shortcut to launch the game. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the access violation error in Red Dead Redemption on PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.